Good morning, children. Once again, I am before you. This is video number 21, chapter 12, motion in time. Today, we will discuss about rest and motion. Come. Rest and motion. When we can consider about any object is at rest or in motion. An object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to a fixed point or a fixed object. Motion is the action of changing location or position. Whenever anything moves from one location to another, motion is involved. But all the motions are not in a same pace. An object is said to be at rest when it does not change. When it does not change its position with respect to its surrounding. Things like furniture kept in the house, children sitting in the classroom, wall hanging, vase kept on the shelf, etc. are at rest. Now we can talk about a speed. What is a speed? A speed is the rate at which a person or an object covers a distance. A fast moving vehicle has a higher speed and covers comparatively a larger distance in a short period of time. On the other hand, a slow moving object has a lower speed and covers a smaller distance in the same time. So how can we define the speed? So a speed of an object is the distance traveled by the object in a unit time. So we can make many numerical based upon the same. A speed is equal to distance traveled by the time taken. A speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. Slow and fast motion. Now, objects move in different ways. Their motion may be slow or fast. A vehicle may have slow and fast motion at different times. For example, we can take a car moves slowly on a crowded road, but it moves fast on a clear road. Now, how do we know about fast and slow? To know this, we need to measure. What to measure? Number 1, the distance traveled by the object, and number 2, the time taken to travel this distance. Now we will come to know about the unit of a speed. What is the unit of a speed? If we divide the SI unit of distance, meter, by the SI unit of time, second, we get the SI unit of speed. That is S in meter by T time in second is equal to V, meter per second. Thus the SI unit of a speed is meter by second, or we can write it M by S, which is generally written as meter per second. Now we can talk about a speedometer and odometer. It is needed to know in our day-to-day life. What is a speedometer? A speedometer is an instrument mounted on a vehicle to show the speed of the vehicle while moving. Whereas odometer is an instrument fitted on a vehicle which calculates and displays the distance traveled by the vehicle in kilometer. Now one more, which is more important in case of motion, that uniform motion and non-uniform motion. When we consider as a uniform motion and when we consider about non-uniform motion. If a moving body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, it is said to be in uniform motion. If a moving body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, it is said to be in uniform motion. On the other hand, if a moving body covers unequal distances in equal interval of time or equal distances in unequal intervals of time, it is said to be non-uniform motion. So then, students, you will learn about all these content what we discussed in the video number 21. Now assignment questions based upon video number 21. Question number 1, when an object is said to be in motion. Question number 2, when an object is said to be at rest. Question number 3, define a speed. Question number 4, mention the formula of a speed. Question number 5, what is the unit of a speed? Question number 6, how does a speedometer and odometer help us? Question number 7, explain uniform and non-uniform motion. Question number 8, a snail covers 1 meter in 10 seconds. What is the speed of the snail in kilometer per hour? Now question number 9, which speed is greater, 30 meter per second or 30 kilometer per hour? A student, you will stay home and stay safe. Thank you everybody.